Welcome to Blue Sun. What is happening inside our sun? How does the sun keeps emitting light and energy every day? Does this questions comes to your mind while you sleep at night? Well, don't worry, I'm going to explain what happens inside our sun in simple words. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. The sun is the largest object in our solar system. It has about 99.8% of the solar system mass. The sun is about 5 billion years old, and it will continue to shine, as it does now, for about another 5 billion years. Don't worry, the sun will not stop releasing light and energy in the near future. Sun is a white star, about 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. The sun appears to be yellow, due to the Earth's atmosphere. When we look inside the sun, it contains 91% of hydrogen, and 8.9% of helium atoms. Inside the sun, the hydrogen atom is converted into helium atom by nuclear fusion. During nuclear fusion, the energy and light are released from the sun. Now, what is nuclear fusion? Alright guys, don't panic, I'm here to explain. But first, you need to understand, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of matter. And it is the basic building block of chemistry. Now you are seeing an oxygen atom. The center part of an atom is called nucleus. Nucleus contains protons and neutrons, and they are attracted to each other by strong nuclear force. Oxygen atom has 8 neutrons, and 8 protons, and 8 electrons. And the electrons revolves around the nucleus. The electron contains negative charge, proton contains positive charge, and neutron has no charge. Alright, so now you know what an atom is. So let's understand about the nuclear fusion inside the sun. Nuclear fusion is a reaction in which 2 or more light nuclei merge together to form a single heavier nucleus. This process releases energy, because the total mass of the resulting single nucleus is less than the mass of 2 original nuclei. And the leftover mass becomes energy. Alright, I know you didn't understood this part. Okay, just imagine, this 2 nucleus has 10 and 10 masses. So the total mass of 2 nucleus is 20. The nucleus formed after nuclear fusion has only 10 mass, and this nucleus mass is less than the original 2 nuclei. So the remaining 10 mass is converted into energy. Alright, so this is how energy is produced by nuclear fusion. Now if you understood this part, then you are good to go to the next interesting part. Now you are in the final part. Here you will see how hydrogen atom is converted into helium atom by nuclear fusion inside the sun. It requires an extreme amount of heat and pressure in order to merge the nucleus together. The sun has 99.8% of solar mass. Because of this, the gravitational force is high inside the sun, and this creates extreme pressure inside the sun, and the sun's core becomes extremely hot. And now, due to extreme heat and pressure, the hydrogen nucleus comes close to each other. But the hydrogen atom has a single proton. And 2 protons cannot attract each other, because both protons have same charge, that is, same positive charge. But at a rare occasion, the 2 hydrogen nucleus comes close to each other, and one of the proton change into a neutron. This is happened by beta decay process. I'm not going to explain about beta decay in detail. Let's continue the part. So now, there is 1 proton and 1 neutron, and they both attract each other and form deuterium. During this attraction, it releases neutrino and positron. And it also release energy. Neutrino and positron are subatomic particles. This newly formed deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen. So now, we have deuterium, and this deuterium merges with the nucleus of hydrogen atom and forms tritium. Gamma rays is released in this process, and energy is also released here. Now this tritium atom waits for deuterium atom. Now when the deuterium atom comes, they both merges together and forms helium atom. It releases proton, and the energy is released here. So this is how the hydrogen atom is converted into helium atom by nuclear fusion. And this is how